Recording.
So, my name is Sam, this is my 911 and I wanted to build an RWB. Righto, engine's out. I've had a chance to look at what's going on, so let me show you. The first things first is the sound deadening. Looks ridiculous, looks ugly, so we're going to pull that out. I removed a couple of the screws and it looks like it's like glued down, so I don't know how hard that is going to be to remove, but it shouldn't really be an issue. Secondly, in here we are going to be fixing the power steering leak. So you know I was talking about the leaks with the engine? It's not actually the engine, it's the power steering that was leaking majority of the fluid. And it's actually, it's this small hose here, and then it's the larger like hose with the badger bolt on. So I'll replace those two hoses and that should pretty much fix our power steering leak, fingers crossed. And then in the engine bay, the only other thing to really change is the oil filter and the fuel filter, and clean it up I guess, because you can see there's a lot of dirty old grime in here. So yeah, should be easy, simple stuff in the engine bay. The more complicated stuff is the actual engine, which is not here. Yeah, cool. Okay, so first things first, alternator fan. Looks ugly, needs painting. Gonna powder coat it. Magnesium though, so we've got to keep the temperature low when you powder coat magnesium fans. Moving back, the entire engine, not really sure what the technical name for this stuff is, but this entire shroud thing I guess, or catchment thing, it's all rusty, needs sorting. Valve covers, the top ones aren't leaking, but I'm just going to replace them because why not. The timing case cover gaskets, they're leaking, so we're going to have to replace them. But the problem is we've got all this stuff on the bottom. From my understanding is like the AC bracket has to come out and the camshaft pulley has to come out. A lot of stuff has to come out to access them, which is really annoying. But again, easy to do it with the engine out, so not a problem. Moving towards the back, the oil sender, that's leaking, so we'll replace that gasket, which is pretty straightforward. There was some oil in the intake manifold, but I guess apparently that's from overfilling the engine, so that should be fine when we give it its like oil service, I guess. And that's pretty much it on the engine that needs doing, and then just like a really thorough cleanup. And I guess we will repaint some other parts. But overall, it's in quite good condition. So I had the issue with going into first, which I pretty much put it down to it being the slave cylinder. So we'll replace that and bleed the system. And then that's pretty much it for all the work we need to do. So I guess we crack on with it.